The first thing we want to make sure we understand is in order to solve two-step inequalities, it's the same rules for solving two-step equations. The first step, you will just focus on undoing addition and subtraction. In the second step, you'll focus on undoing any multiplication or division. Go ahead and take time now to. What we're going to try first is this one. So I'm going to look for adding or subtracting first, and then I will worry about multiplying or dividing. So just remember, those are always the order that you do these two steps of equations in. I'm going to add 4 to both sides since I see a negative 4. These 4's cancel out. All I'm left with is 5x is greater than or equal to 11 plus 4 is 15. Divide, and now is what I can focus on. X will be greater than or equal to 3. To graph the solution, I'm going to draw my number line. I have a closed circle because 3 is a part of the solution, and I'm going to point to 4 because x needs to be greater than or equal to 4. Sorry, 3. This one, again, seeing I have addition or subtraction first, and then multiplication or division. Subtract 4 from both sides. I'm going to get 9 less than symbol and b over negative 3. I see division, so now I'm going to use multiplication to solve. Remember, when you're multiplying or dividing by a negative number, you need to flip the sign. So less than becomes greater than, and so these 3's will cancel out. So I'm left with b is greater than negative 27. Be careful with these, okay, because you will see some later on. Got negative 27, negative 26, and negative 28. I have an open circle still pointing to greater than, so negative 26 will be greater than negative 27.